Welcome to English with Sophia. Today's B1 English listening practice, Understanding American Culture. Part 2. Hello, everyone. I'm Sophia, and today we continue our exploration of American culture. This session builds on our previous discussion, diving deeper into the unique aspects that shape the everyday experiences in the U.S. Let's delve into a few more cultural elements that are prominent in American society. High standards and expectations. One notable trait in American culture is the high standard to which people and services are held. Americans often expect excellence in everything from customer service to product quality. If expectations are not met, it's common for people to express dissatisfaction through negative reviews or by choosing not to revisit a business. Personally, I try to be understanding, but I must admit that poor service can be quite frustrating, especially when you're paying for a positive experience. The spirit of competition. Another significant aspect of American life is the pervasive sense of competition. This trait has both its positives and negatives. On the positive side, competition drives innovation and efficiency in business, science, and technology. It pushes companies and individuals to excel, often leading to remarkable advancements and consumer benefits. However, this same competitive spirit can also create pressure to always be on top and can make individuals feel inadequate if they don't meet certain high standards. It's important to strike a balance, fostering healthy competition that motivates without overwhelming. Love for the big and bold. Lastly, it's quite amusing but true. Americans tend to love everything big. From large vehicles and spacious roads to generous food portions and bulk shopping, size often matters in the U.S. This preference is also reflected in the broad, open landscapes that characterize much of the country. It seems that in America, bigger often means better. Conclusion. These cultural traits are just a few layers of the complex, vibrant fabric that makes up American culture. I hope this discussion has given you a deeper understanding of what it's like to live and think in an American context. If there are any other American cultural elements you find intriguing, please share them in the comments below. Thank you for joining today's English listening practice. Keep practicing your English as we explore more fascinating topics together here on English with Sophia.